I really want to say congratulations for those people to those people that participate in Hamster Combat farming airdrop and did not cheat on the project. Congratulations to you. So right now, if you go into your Hamster Combat app, you are going to see that the season one has ended. Now, Hamster Combat has introduced season two. Season two. So I think this season two is not going to go too far like season one. That is, it's not going to take much days like that of season one. But if you go into your Hamster Combat, I want to show you something. They introduced something which is diamond. You can look at it and you can see I have 60 diamond. Although I have 61 diamond, then I use one of it to upgrade my profit per hour to this. So for the diamond, as you can see, I am earning 0.15%, 0.15 diamond right now. I am going to show you how to do this, how to get your own diamond up to this. So this is what I do. I'm going to show it to you right now. This is what I do. I go to any here, I go to N and I perform all these tasks here. Just perform all the tasks here. For instance, they are not asking you to invite new friends again, but if you can still invite, you can still invite. If you don't have up to this, you will not be able to get 36 of this diamond. So if you don't have up to that 25 people in your team before, try to invite and you are going to get up to this 34, 35 diamond. Get, if you have up to 10 inviter, then you can get 12 diamond. This diamond right now, we don't know what they want to use it for, but it is very rare. This diamond is rare, so I think they are going to use it for something big, something good. If you look here, I also got 8 from here, 3 from here, 1 from here, then another one from here. For on Instagram, I'm not on Instagram and Facebook right now, so I have not got that one. So this is how to get the diamond for free. And you can also watch their videos on YouTube here to get more diamond. So that is how I was able to get up to this diamond here. I got 61 diamond, then I use one for upgradation so that I can be mining more diamond till the time starts. So another things you can do to get more diamond is to come here on playground. So on the playground here, this is what you're going to do. You can play any of these games here and you're going to be getting this diamond. You can be getting any of those diamond, but you can still play that puzzle. You can come here and play that Hamster Combat puzzle. Any of these, you can play this multiple times, many times. I play this more than 5 times today. I play it more than 5 times today. And again, you can also still play this puzzle game here and you still get more diamonds. So if you want to upgrade your diamond to start earning more diamond for you, you go to minecart. Minecart. From here, you are going to see click on new card and you are going to see it here. For instance, this card with one, if you stake 1 diamond, this card will be giving you 0.05 diamond per hour. In three hours, you need to come and claim your diamond. Put 2 diamond here and you are going to be earning 0.1 diamond. I have already done my own. This is the diamond I purchased. I purchased the free one. There is a free one that can give you 0.05 diamond, and this one also, which I purchased at this level, at this amount 1.1, and it earning me 0.1 diamond. So that is how to get more diamond. For now, I don't know what the tapping is working for right now, because you can just see only tapping. So right now, let's see our memories. So if you go here, you are going to see your memories of what you have achieved on the Hamster Combat so far. So for instance, these are my best card on the Hamster Combat. So these are my best card, the best card that I purchased. So these are my best card. If I still click here, you can see the days I've spent on the Hamster Combat, which is 111 days. And again, number of card you upgrade. I have upgraded about 1522 card that I have already upgraded. All this achievement is going, they are going to use it to give you your airdrop. Is going to add up to what will lead to your airdrop. So you can see the total coin that I earned so far on the Hamster Combat from beginning. That is about 800, and that is about, let me take this away, that is about 896,444,663.15 coin that I earned on the Hamster Combat that I earned. So if you still click on next, so these are the uh game that I did not play, because even though I click on them, they are not loading, so I don't bother to play them. I did not play any of them. So those are your this thing. That is how to check your achievement on the Hamster Combat. That was awesome. Shall we play Interlude? You can click on play Interlude. So this is the Interlude right now. You can also earn more hamster more diamond from here. You can also still get them from here. So guys, for now, let's just keep on waiting for what is coming from Hamster Combat. Let's be waiting for the listing. I think your withdrawal is going to land on your wallet. The wallet you submit is going to land on your wallet tomorrow on the 22nd of this month, or on the 23rd to 24th of this month. So keep on checking your wallet every time. You are going to see your Hamster Combat here, and there is still going to be a another extra information from Hamster Combat that will show you the total amount of coin you will be able to get. That is your allocation. They are going to show it to you before the before the withdrawal, before the listing. So let's keep on checking our Hamster Combat and keep on getting more diamonds. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.